Let's take a look at how to download your reading mastery reports on SRA 2Inform. First, log into Connected. Then sign in using your username and password. Then go to the SRA 2Inform application. Click the SRA 2Inform button and the SRA 2Inform tile. Then choose your program. In this case, I will choose Reading Mastery. To print individual students' report on Reading Mastery 2Inform, click on Reports. Then select your group from the drop-down menu. Click Individual Reports. Select your student, and the program will display the snapshot of your student's report. Click Full Report, and it will show the individual student's full report. To print, click the printer icon and make sure to save the report as PDF. Include the group name, program level, teacher, and student. Hit Save and repeat these steps for remaining students. To print group reports for Grade K, click on the Reports tab, then select your group from the drop-down menu. Then choose Mastery Test Trends. To print, click the printer icon and make sure to save the report as PDF. Include your group name, program level, and teacher. Hit Save. Additional suggested group reports for Reading Mastery Grade K are Group Summary Report and Daily Lesson Progress Report. Repeat these steps for remaining groups. Now the steps are similar for Grade 1. The additional reports suggested for Reading Mastery Grade 1 are CBA Trends, Group Summary Report, Group Fluency Progress Report, and Daily Lesson Progress Report. Again, repeat the steps for remaining groups.